welcome to the class of geography where we are going to continue the chapter agriculture. Today's topic is very interesting and very innovative as this one is organic agriculture. What do you get by organic? We are talking about agriculture, but today's topic is organic, means we are getting something from living being. Okay, the matter which will be used in agriculture will be living being. Instead of synthetic or chemical fertilizers being used in agriculture, living organisms means biological elements will be used in agriculture. That will be called organic agriculture. Okay. So, organic agriculture is a production system that sustains the health of soils, ecosystems and people. So, what do you get by organic? Let's see. It's depends upon the health of soil, means the fertility of the soil. It is not being used by the chemicals or fertilizers will be used, or manure or whatever will be used to increase the fertility of the soil. It will be totally dependent on organic matters. Okay, no chemicals will be added in the soil to increase the fertility of the soil. And in balance of ecosystem. What do you get by ecosystem? Ecosystem means interaction between the organisms and the physical environment. That one is called ecosystem. So, through the organic agriculture, the ecosystem, the imbalance of ecosystem will not be there. Okay, and the interrelationship of people means the overall, whatever the agriculture product will be for the benefit of the people. Okay, so the product of organic, means organic product will be healthier in sense, instead of using the fertilizers or chemicals or pesticides, whatever is will be there to increase the fertility of the soil, to increase the product of the soil, or to minimize the effect of the pest. Okay, organic matter will be used in agriculture. That's why it is called organic agriculture. Okay, organic agriculture combines tradition, means the practice, agriculture practice were prevalent in the ancient time. It will be a traditional. Okay, it will be continued. Then innovative ideas which is derived from the scientific technologies will be shared to environment and promote fair relationship and a good quality of life for all involved. Those who are involved in the agriculture. Okay, organic means it can be easily described here. Agriculture means a fair combination of tradition, means the way of agriculture, the method of agriculture, the scientific invention which are involved to enhance the productivity of the crop. Scientific invention, okay, these all invention, okay, and environment should be involved, and the people, those who are doing, and for those it will be done. Okay, it will be shared with each and everything, means it will be shared in between. Okay, that's why it is called organic agriculture. It combines these things, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine. The practice of organic farming is not only relevant for soothing the bad conscience of wealthier societies, as the product of organic product is too costly, so it is only consumed by the wealthier section of society, but it plays an important role in preserving croplands. Instead of that one, just for the consumption of the wealthier section of society, it also preserves the croplands from degradation that is often caused by conventional intensive methods of farming. Why it is said like this? As when we are getting something large in amount from the intensive farming, as you all know what is intensive farming, it was this very nicely, very thoroughly it was discussed in the previous lecture. What is intensive, what is extensive farming. So you should know about this one. Intensive farming means a small piece of land is here for the farming, for the cultivation, and the production will be too high to feed this one portion of population. Means the burden on this land is to feed for the consumption of the whole population of the land. Means the cultivation is less, or we have to maximize the cultivation by inputting all the, whether capitals, whether labor, whether fertilizer, whether high yielding seeds or techniques, and each and every irrigation facilities should be in proper to enhance the quality, to get the maximum product from this field to satisfy the need of this portion of population. Okay. So while practicing the organic agriculture, it will be decrease. While doing this one, from the intensive farming, the degradation of the soil, of the environment, means the soil. Obviously, we are getting too much from this piece of land. That means we are degrading the quality of this land. So, by the organic agriculture, by the practice of organic agriculture, we are just reducing this possibility. Okay. These are the favorable or positive points for the organic agriculture. Fine. Organic farming involves using only natural methods, means no chemicals will be used to enhance or to increase the product. Okay, only natural methods will be used, and natural manure will be used to increase the fertility of the soil, without any harmful chemicals, toxic ingredients or synthetic element to fertilize and treat to increase growth. The same thing is written here. Okay, so we are not using anything synthetic or chemical to enhance the quality of the soil to get the maximum production from that one field. Only natural, organic materials, manure, fertilizers are being used to enhance the quality of the soil to get the production in high quantity. Fine. Organic farming relies on natural techniques such as crop rotation. And what are the techniques? How it can be enhanced? How we will get the maximum production from this practice? As to crop rotation, as one crop, if we are, suppose I am taking this example, this is not the exact example. If this land of peas where a crop A is cultivated, okay, and it is decreasing the fertility of the soil, the next crop will be not the same. The crop rotation means another crop which consume less fertility, okay, which the fertilizers means, then it can be grown in this field after this one crop. Means crop rotation is necessary to practice this one organic agriculture. Fine. So we can use extra manure, natural manure in this field to enhance the quality of the soil. Okay. Organic compost will be used, means natural and organic compost to enhance the soil. Okay. Green manure will be used, which are not synthetic or chemical, just to enhance the quality of the soil. Then only the product from here on this field we will get more. Okay. Biological and natural pest control methods means instead of using the sprayer machine to control the pest, biological and natural pest control methods should be used to avoid this one. Okay, just to control the pest. Instead of doing anything synthetic, okay, artificial, we have to go to the natural process. Okay, that one is called organic farming. Organic farming is also called biological farming. That's why it is called biological farming. It is a sustainable way of farming. As we are consuming today, it will be for the future also. Okay, we are not degrading our soil, our environment. That's why it will be there in the future, for the future generation. That's why it is called sustainable way of farming. Fine. Organic farming is friendly to our planet. Why it is friendly? Whereas we are not using anything artificial, synthetic, which are degrading our ecology. Okay, we are not using these things, but we are using biological organic matter just to protect our land, protect our environment. Okay, and support diversity of living things. Various different diverse organisms are living here on this earth. So we are just supporting those lives also. Fine. But beside this one, these were the facts and positive points for the organic agriculture. But we are facing few problems while this agriculture system. Okay. Many studies indicate that yields from organic farms are around 20% less for many important food crops. Obviously, the production of this one field, okay, system means organic agriculture, the product we are getting is less in amount in many major crops. Okay, organic food is usually more expensive as we are using, and only the wealthier section of society are getting this one. They can afford this one organic product. Organic farmers need to be aware of useful traits and should practice agriculture based on scientific approach. We all the farmers cannot practice this one organic agriculture. Okay, this is not for all. They have to learn the scientific way how to approach this one. Then only it will be possible to them to practice this one agriculture organic. Through this one agriculture, organic agriculture, they can produce the crops. Okay, it is not quite easy for them to learn by their own. They have to learn from the scientific approach. Then only it will be possible for them to get to know about exact system, how they will get the enough amount from that one piece of land. Okay, through this one agriculture, through this one process. Fine. So here is the ending of this one topic with this quote. Let us not forget that the cultivation of the earth is the most important labor of man. We should remember always, as when tillage begins, others' art will follow. And the farmers, therefore, are the founders of civilization. And because of these persons only, we have seen in from our ancient history also that the civilization occurs from them only, and we have got the evidence also. Okay, with this note, we are going to meet in the next lecture with another topic. Till then, take good care of yourself. Thank you.